Welcome to Washington, D.C., the capital of the United States. A city teeming with life, not just of its people, but of a nation's story. Here, politics, history, and culture intertwine amidst a surprisingly verdant landscape. From the grand neoclassical structures that line the National Mall to the lively, characterful neighborhoods, Washington, D.C. offers a journey through time and the American spirit. Join us now as we venture into the heart of this dynamic metropolis, exploring its iconic monuments, world-renowned museums, and the pulse of its vibrant culture. Our journey begins on the National Mall, a sprawling, verdant tapestry stretching from the Lincoln Memorial to the U.S. Capitol. The Lincoln Memorial, with its imposing statue of the 16th president, evokes a sense of solemnity and reflection. Further down, the reflecting pool mirrors the Washington Monument, a towering obelisk piercing the sky. World War II, Korea, Vietnam, each conflict etched in stone and memory at their respective memorials. These spaces invite contemplation, a solemn recognition of sacrifice. But the mall is not just a place of somber remembrance. It's a living, breathing space where visitors from all walks of life converge. The National Mall is more than just a park. It is the stage upon which America's story unfolds. Our exploration now leads us to the Smithsonian Institution, a beacon of knowledge and a testament to human curiosity. Within the National Air and Space Museum, we stand in awe of mankind's quest for the stars. Venturing into the National Museum of Natural History, we encounter the wonders of the natural world. The National Museum of American History chronicles the American story, a complex narrative woven through artifacts and exhibits. And let us not forget the National Zoo, a haven for over 2,000 animals representing more than 400 species. The Smithsonian is not merely a repository of artifacts. It is a dynamic institution dedicated to education, research, and the preservation of our shared human heritage. Each museum, a universe unto itself, beckons us to explore, to question, to marvel at the vastness of human knowledge. We now turn our attention to the heart of American democracy, to the halls of power where decisions shaping the nation are made, Capitol Hill. Dominating the skyline, the U.S. Capitol stands as a symbol of American governance. Within its walls, the legislative branch engages in the intricate dance of debate and compromise. A short distance away, the White House stands as a symbol of American leadership. The Supreme Court commands respect with its imposing structure and its role in interpreting the Constitution. Beyond these institutions, numerous government agencies and departments contribute to the dynamic energy of Washington, D.C. The city is a hub of activity, where politicians, lobbyists, and citizens converge. They represent the ideals of democracy, the rule of law, and the pursuit of a more perfect union. Escaping the bustling energy of government and politics, we arrive at the Tidal Basin, a tranquil oasis nestled amidst the monuments. The Tidal Basin comes alive each spring during the National Cherry Blossom Festival. Thousands of cherry trees, gifts from Japan in 1912, erupt in a symphony of pink and white blossoms. Strolling along the Tidal Basin's pathways, we encounter a series of memorials, each honoring prominent figures in American history. The Jefferson Memorial pays tribute to the nation's third president, the Martin Luther King, Jr. Memorial stands as a testament to the ongoing struggle for civil rights and equality. The Franklin Delano Roosevelt Memorial honors the president who led the nation through the Great Depression and World War II. The Tidal Basin is not just a place of remembrance, it's a vibrant hub of activity. While the monuments and museums may be Washington, D.C. quote,'s most prominent landmarks, the true character of the city reveals itself within its diverse and vibrant neighborhoods. Georgetown, with its cobblestone streets and historic row houses, whispers tales of the city's past. DuPont Circle, known for its grand architecture and cosmopolitan vibe, is a hub of activity day and night. Adams Morgan, with its bohemian spirit and eclectic mix of businesses, attracts a younger crowd. U Street, once known as Black Broadway, was a center of African-American culture during the early 20th century. Today, the neighborhood is experiencing a renaissance, with jazz clubs, theaters, and soul food restaurants preserving its rich heritage. Shaw, once a predominantly African-American neighborhood, is undergoing a period of rapid gentrification. Each neighborhood, with its own unique flavor and history, contributes to the rich tapestry that is Washington, D.C. The culinary landscape of Washington, D.C., much like the city itself, is a melting pot of flavors and influences. From Michelin-starred restaurants to family-run ethnic eateries, D.C. offers a culinary adventure for every palate and budget. Power lunches and political deal-making fuel the city's upscale dining scene, but D.C.'s culinary heart beats strongest in its ethnic neighborhoods. In Adams Morgan, Ethiopian restaurants serve up fragrant stews and spongy injera bread. The city's international influence is evident in its abundance of global cuisines. Food trucks, a staple of D.C. life, offer a quick and affordable way to sample the city's diverse flavors. Whether indulging in a multi-course tasting menu or grabbing a quick bite from a food truck, Washington, D.C. offers a culinary journey that is as diverse and dynamic as the city itself. Beyond the imposing grandeur of its monuments and the bustling energy of its streets, Washington, D.C. offers a surprising abundance of green spaces. Rock Creek Park, a 754-acre oasis slicing through the heart of the city, provides a welcome respite from urban life. The park's nature center offers educational programs and guided tours. The National Arboretum, a 446-acre living museum, showcases a diverse collection of trees, shrubs, and flowering plants from around the world. Kenilworth Park and Aquatic Gardens, a hidden gem in Northeast D.C., transports visitors to a world of tranquility and natural beauty. Meridian Hill Park, with its cascading fountains and formal gardens, is a popular gathering spot for picnics and cultural events. The National Mall, despite its iconic monuments and museums, also serves as a vast urban park. These green spaces serve as a reminder that even in the heart of a bustling metropolis, nature can thrive and provide a sense of peace and tranquility. Washington, D.C. is more than just a center of government. It's a city alive with creativity. The John F. Kennedy Center for the Performing Arts hosts a world-class lineup of theater, dance, music, and opera performances. Ford's Theater, forever etched in history as the site of President Abraham Lincoln's assassination, offers contemporary theatrical productions. The National Gallery of Art offers a journey through art history. U Street, once known as Black Broadway, continues to be a hub of musical entertainment. The city's numerous art galleries provide a platform for contemporary art and creative expression. Whether attending a Broadway-caliber performance or discovering the next great artist in a hidden gallery, Washington, D.C. offers a cultural landscape as rich and diverse as the city itself. From world-renowned museums and historic theaters to intimate jazz clubs and cutting-edge art galleries, D.C. offers a wealth of artistic experiences to explore. Washington, D.C. offers a unique and rewarding experience year-round, each season painting the city in different hues. Spring in D.C. is a magical time, as the city awakens from its winter slumber and bursts into bloom. Summer in the nation's capital is characterized by warm temperatures and long days, perfect for exploring the city's outdoor spaces. Autumn in D.C. ushers in a kaleidoscope of colors, as the leaves on the trees transform into vibrant shades of red, orange, and yellow. Winter in Washington, D.C. may be chilly, but it possesses a certain charm. Whenever you choose to visit Washington, D.C., be sure to plan your itinerary in advance. Consider purchasing a tourist pass for discounted access to multiple attractions. By understanding the unique characteristics of each time of year, you can plan a visit that perfectly aligns with your interests and preferences. As we conclude our journey through Washington, D.C., we are left with a profound sense of awe and inspiration. This city, a tapestry woven with threads of history, politics, culture, and innovation, has captivated our imagination. We have walked in the footsteps of presidents and activists, marveling at their courage and determination. We have explored the halls of power, witnessing firsthand the intricate workings of democracy. We have delved into the city's rich cultural heritage, from world-class museums and theaters to vibrant neighborhoods. Washington, D.C. is more than just a city. It is a symbol of democracy, a beacon of hope, and a testament to the enduring power of the human spirit. As we bid farewell to this remarkable city, we carry with us a renewed appreciation for the complexities of American history and the enduring ideals upon which this nation was founded. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Washington, D.C. a city that stands as a testament to American history, culture, and the enduring spirit of its people. We hope you found this exploration informative and inspiring, leaving you with a deeper understanding of the nation's capital and a desire to experience its wonders firsthand. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more enriching travel experiences.